Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning block 21, which is the solar system, isn't it, children? And yesterday, we have learned about the planets in our solar system, isn't it, children? The 8 planets of our solar system, isn't it? So, in the next topic, we are going to learn about the asteroids, meteors, and comets. Comets. Okay, so please open your science content book, children, and turn to page number 131, 131. Okay, so asteroids are nothing but the rocky metallic objects that revolve around the sun. Okay, as planets, these asteroids also revolve around the sun, and they are considered to be minor planets. Like, minor means small, minor planets, and they are usually found in the belt. Can you see here, children, how these are like a belt, isn't it, children? Yes. So, and they are usually found in between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, and these, they are about thousands of asteroids that come down from space and enter into Earth's atmosphere, and when they enter into Earth's atmosphere, they burn. Okay, when they enter into Earth's atmosphere, they are called as meteors. Okay, meteors, and they burn. Why do they burn? Because of the friction between them and the atmosphere of Earth's atmosphere. They burn. Okay, and that you can see for only 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, and you can see them in the night sky. In the day sky, it's very rare, children. In the night sky, you can see it clearly, because everything, the sky will be dark, and that lightning, you can see it, and that happens only for 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, and they are called as shooting stars. Okay, so asteroids are nothing but the metallic objects that are found in the solar system, and when these asteroids or any other objects enter the atmosphere, Earth's atmosphere, they're called as meteors. Okay, and they burn when they enter into atmosphere, Earth's atmosphere. Okay, next, turn your page, children. Then you have comets. Comets, can you see here, children? This is a comet. Okay, this also revolves around the sun, but the difference between the planet and the comet is comets have a long elliptical orbits when compared to the planets. Okay, they have long one. Okay, and what are these made up of? These are made up of ice and rocks. Okay, and when they come close to the sun, they starts to release some dust and gases. Okay, and that is seen as a tail. Can you see here, children, how this is? So whenever it comes close to the sun, it starts releasing the gas and the dust, and that seen to be as a tail. Okay, and this always points away from the sun. See, can you see? So this is the sun. If it is towards sun, the tail should be like this side, but it is away from the sun, isn't it? Yes, so the tail always points away from the sun. Okay, children, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and underline in your content book. Okay, and if you find any other word which is difficult for you, you can add it in your keywords. Okay, coming to your question answers. How are meteors formed? How will you know that you have seen a meteor? So meteor are nothing but the astronauts or any other objects enter into Earth's surface, Earth's atmosphere, not surface, Earth's atmosphere, isn't it? And because of the friction of Earth's atmosphere and the ast- and the meteors, they burn, isn't it? They appear like a bright streaks of light in the night sky. You can see in the night sky. Yes, and we will know when it burns, isn't it, children? And that light can be seen for only 1 or 2 seconds, and we'll call it as shooting star, isn't it? So you can write that. Okay, next. What do you see a When do you see a comet's tail? In which direction that does it point? So when it comes closer to the sun, it develops a tail. Why? Because it starts releasing the dust and the gases, isn't it? It develops the tail, and that tail points always away from the sun. Okay, next one. Which planet surface resembles the surface of the moon? So, how is the surface of the moon, children? We have learned about the moon, isn't it? It has large craters, isn't it? So, in that way, which planet have craters? Mercury, isn't it? So, you will write Mercury resembles like a moon because both have the large craters. Okay, so write these answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 27, S3, asteroids, meteors, and comets. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn about artificial satellites and their uses. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.